cubicle package came. So let's go ahead and open it. So I'm honestly not the best at opening packages. And the reason this channel is called Newb. There we go. There's our hole. Okay, so we got a blindfold for blind solving, because I'm in the process of learning that. Here's cubicle stuff. We have the yuxin little magnetic 7x7. We got the cubicle stand. I think that looks really nice. So there's the cubicle logo. There's cubicle.us, and then there's a shiny golden cubicle thing. So there's that. And then there also is the GAN 251M, so the magnetic 2x2 that they came out with. So let's go ahead and start with the 7x7. So as you can tell, I don't really care about the box. But, so I've never actually touched a 7x7 before, but I intend to learn. So, it honestly looks big, but you can definitely feel the magnets. Oh, so the external magnets, so in the outer layers, feel a lot more loose. Like, the magnets aren't as tight, and then as you get deeper in, the stronger they get, which is what you want with big cubes, because if you're turning this, you don't want the rest to turn. So if I'm turning this, it should just stay. So you sometimes have to hold it with your back finger, because this is my back. The front is blue for me, but it's supposed to stay together with the magnets. And so yeah, so it's a pretty big cube. So yeah, I intend to learn this. There's the little tiny little magic logo. It's lubricated. So yeah, I think this will be a good 7x7 for me for starting. Okay, so next we got the GAN 251M. So let's go ahead, take the casing off. Okay, then it came with a black box like a lot of other GAN cubes. Okay. Okay, so there's the thing. Okay, so here's the plastic nuts with the nut driver that you can use. There's a nice bag. I always like these bags. There's some GAN papers like usual that we can put aside. We got the actual 2x2. So yeah, these boxes are weird, I've been told, because, so let me take the 2x2 out first, because it turns right here, so when you close it, right there, and there is where it's held together, and then the cube sits on that little thing. So yeah, it's a little weird, but it works. And then because there's that indent right there, see it's indented, you can just set it there. So let's get to the actual the cube. I don't know why they have plastic on it when it's in a box, but I guess, sure. So go ahead, that's that. So this is probably going to be my new main, because my other 2x2s aren't that good. So this is the 2x2 they finally upgraded. 'cause the last 2x2 they had was iffy. So inside there's 2 magnets everywhere instead of 1, so the magnets are a lot stronger. Not a lot, but you can definitely feel them a lot more. Forgive the background noise. I don't live in a recording studio, so there's gonna be some of that. So this is honestly a little bit loose for my taste, so I'm going to go ahead and try switching out some of the plastic nuts. So I'm not sure how to do this on the 2x2. I think you have to hold it open. Okay, so I'm not going to finish changing all of them now because it takes forever. But, so there's the 2x2. So we have 2x2, 7x7. Let's go ahead and put 7x7 there, 2x2 in its box. It's a weird looking box. And then I actually never opened the blindfold, so go ahead and open it. So it honestly looks like blindfold. You got the front, then there's the back, so it's just 2 strands, a stretchy thing. Has a little nose piece thing. But yeah, it's just a blindfold. Yep, I can't see through it. But yeah, so there is the cubicle unboxing.